In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust section spacing in Squarespace. This is an essential skill if you want to create a visually appealing and well-structured website layout. So let's dive into the process together, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you understand how to fine-tune your website's appearance to your exact preferences. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace site. This might seem straightforward, but it's important to make sure you're logged into the right account and have selected the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, head over to your website's configuration settings where all the customization options are available. Once you're there, the next step is to click on a section that you want to adjust. Now, remember that Squarespace's interface is quite intuitive, so finding and selecting the section shouldn't be too difficult. Keep in mind that deciding which section to adjust can significantly affect the overall appearance of your site, so choose wisely based on what aspect you wish to emphasize or reduce. With your section selected, you'll need to click on Edit Section. This action will open up a panel that reveals more detailed editing options. This panel is your main hub for adjusting the specifics of the section's layout. Here you'll find various settings to play around with, giving you the power to tailor each section precisely to your liking. Now, look for the option labeled Section. Clicking on this option will bring you to a range of parameters related to the specific section you've chosen. Within this menu, you'll find the Height setting. This is crucial for adjusting the spacing because it directly influences how much space your section occupies on the page. Remember, altering the height can make your content more breathable or packed, depending on your design goals. When you've located the height setting, you'll see three dots. Clicking on these three dots will give you options to precisely adjust the section's height to match your design vision. Here you can experiment with different height settings to see what best fits your overall layout plan. Take your time adjusting the height until it feels just right for your aesthetic goals. After you've fine-tuned the height and are satisfied with the spacing, the final step is to save your changes. Click on Save to ensure all your adjustments are applied to the live version of your site. It's crucial not to skip this step as it finalizes your edits and updates your website for all visitors to see. And there you have it. With these steps, you can expertly adjust the section spacing on your Squarespace site, enhancing not only the look of your website but also improving the user experience. Happy designing!